Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my curried beef. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kali Kitchen_1, and follow my business page, it's Accessories by Leams. So here I have my beef already washed and clean. I also have my powdered seasoning, which consists of Italian seasoning, 2 all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, garlic powder, and of course I have some black pepper, and also I have some additional garlic that I'm gonna add to my beef. So as you can see, I'm just adding the beef. Then I'm gonna add my powdered seasoning. Again, my powdered seasoning consists of Italian seasoning, 2 all-purpose seasoning, curry powder. Of course, I have my black pepper and garlic powder. So once I'm finished adding my powdered seasoning, I'm just gonna go ahead and combine the seasoning with the beef. And once I'm finished seasoning my beef, I'm gonna cover it and leave it in the fridge for roughly 3 hours before cooking. And just to note guys, I will be pressuring this beef for roughly 20 to 25 minutes. So I think pressuring it is a little bit easier at this stage. So I'm just going to do that, but I will take you along with me and show you each step of the way. So once again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on all social media platforms. Alright guys, so after 3 hours, it's time to go ahead and start pressuring my beef. As you can see, I have my pressure cooker. I also added some curry powder to my oil. And I'm going to allow the curry to just burn a little. Some persons might not burn the curry, that's fine. Guys, as I always say to you guys, cooking is easy. Do what you have to do. Don't follow anybody. Just be you in the kitchen whenever you are cooking, and use whatever you have. So as you can see, I added my beef and I'm just giving it a little bit of stir, just so it doesn't stick to the pot. So after I added the beef, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some water, and I'm just gonna leave this, as I said before, to 20 to 25 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you the next step. So guys, after roughly 20 to 25 minutes, this is what my pressured beef looks like. As you can see, I added some more water. So now it's time to go ahead and start seasoning my beef. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mixed vegetables because I realized that I didn't have any carrots and all I had was some mixed vegetables. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. Also, I have some bean that I pressured earlier, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. Also, I'm gonna add my onion, my scallion, my garlic, my thyme, my Scotch bonnet pepper, and also I'm gonna add my bell peppers, and I'm just gonna combine this together. And of course, I'm gonna cover this and leave this for another 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like after it finished cooking. So we just want to get rid of some of the water. So we want a nice thick curry gravy. So I'm just going to cover this and leave it to just simmer down. Then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. So guys, this is what my curry beef looks like. So I'm just going to plate this with some rice and peas, some fried plantain, and some lettuce, and show you the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my curried beef. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you leave a comment, and I hope you turn on your post notification. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's Callie J's Kitchen. Once again guys, thank you for watching.